Nehemiah never heard an audible voice from God. No angel, no burning bush, no vision, just a broken heart and a decision to do something about it. His calling arrived as grief, and maybe yours will too. Before you ask, "What is my purpose?" ask, "What breaks me so deeply I can't stop thinking about it?" He had no wife, no kids, and no legacy, but he did have a top-tier seat in the king's court as a cupbearer. People love to whisper, "No family, must be gay or a eunuch." No, that doesn't automatically make him a eunuch or gay. He is a cupbearer, right? Yep. But that job was about trust, skill, and access, not sexuality or missing body parts. The Bible gives zero evidence for that. And his hair pulling rage instead of boxing them, that was holy zeal, not a sexuality clue. Nehemiah's power came from trust, courage, and God's favor, not stereotypes. He poured his entire life into a future he would never personally inherit. He's not an engineer, not a general, not a government official, and he rebuilt the wall anyway. Whatever